Welcome back, guys. I had a question, a kind of a challenge from my WhatsApp fans yesterday, and it stirred this atmosphere. So, I wanted you to think with your brain. I wanted to think with your brain. So, there is this question I asked about the story of Noah. I was questioning something. I said, how was it possible that in the flood, Noah was able to preserve a pair of every species of the whole animal in the world? Okay, now let me tell you something. The whole animal in the world are not present in Asia. That is where the Israel is. Okay, the whole Africa are not in Asia. There are so many animals, wildlife in Africa here that are not found in Asia. For example, the giraffe, the Mongolese, the chimpanzee. We have chimpanzee here. They have the orangutan in Asia. I was able to preserve chimpanzee. We have the cheetah, is in Africa, not in Asia. We have so many other species of animal. Most of the lions, the species of lion, they are here. We have the hyenas, spotted and striped hyenas. Most of them are in Africa here. So I asked, how was it possible that he was able to save even the ones that are in America, the ones that are in Europe, and other continents in one ship? Leave that. What about animals that that cannot survive in open air, and at the same time they can't survive in water? Animals that live in the swamp. What about the worms? I was able to say, okay, he packed the worm too inside the boat. Okay, I mean the ship. So many questions to ask. So if you have a better answer for this, because I know most of these stories are rhetorics. They cannot be proven. There is no way you expect freshwater animals to survive in a mixture of in a water that is mixed with salt. That is ocean and seas, because there was a flood. Definitely there will be a mixture between the freshwater bodies and the saltwater bodies. So I was catfish and other freshwater animals. How were they able to survive? Because definitely there's going to be an osmotic shock. There's going to be a massive predation. Many animals, freshwater animals, are going to mostly suffer it. So how was this possible? How was it possible? Huh? So just think. I know some of you getting emotional now. You are questioning. We don't use logic to reason spiritual thing. This is not spiritual thing. This is simple fact. So think with your brain. I am not saying the Bible is wrong. The Bible is not the same thing. I told them yesterday on WhatsApp. I said the Bible is not the word of God. Okay? The Bible is a library. It's a compilation of books gathered from different ancient authors. Understand? And of course, a book that was written with human hands, published with human hands, translated from hands to hands. You cannot call that book authentic. There is no book that came from heaven to earth. There is definitely a manipulation of man in it. You call it Holy Bible? Yes. But does that mean everything there is holy or everything there is authentic? Let me use the word authentic and not holy. Okay. So you are free to think. You are free to think. It's a free word. Like me, I love to think. I love to question things. How is this thing even possible? Okay.